Greetings to all dear learners. I am Faculty of Science at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today we will learn a topic motion which is taken from grade 9th chapter 8. Let's start the discussion with the definition of motion. Motion is the change of position of a body from one place to another in a given interval of time. Second is classification of motion or types of motion. Broadly, there are two types of motion. First is motion in a straight line and second is motion in a plane. Here in the figure, we can see that a car is driving in a straight road. So this is the example of motion in a straight line. Another figure which represents the motion in a plane, here we can find that the body is moving in a plane such that it covers a distance in x-axis as well as y-axis. Here comes the another classification of motion, that is uniform motion and non-uniform motion. When we talk about uniform motion, then we can say that a body covers equal distance in equal interval of time. For example, if a body covers 10-meter distance in 10 seconds and another 10-meter distance in another 10 seconds, we can say that this is the example of uniform motion. Similarly, we can have the non-uniform motion. So in the non-uniform motion, we can observe that a body covers unequal distance in equal interval of time. So this is the condition of non-uniform. So the example of non-uniform motion is a body covers 8-meter distance in 20 seconds and another 20-meter distance in 30 seconds. So this can be the example of non-uniform motion. We can see it from the graph. Here we can see that the time is increasing in a constant rate, but the distance covered by the body is taking place with a non-uniform speed. Okay, so this will be the example of non-uniform motion. Let's talk about speed and velocity. So speed is the rate of change of distance with respect to time, and it is a scalar quantity because direction is not required to specify the speed. But when comes the velocity, velocity is the rate of change of displacement with respect to time, and here velocity is a vector quantity because direction is very important to specify the velocity. So this is about velocity and speed. Now we can see from the formula also, speed can be represented as change in distance upon time and velocity is change in displacement upon time. After getting the idea of speed and velocity, let's talk about average speed and average velocity. So here we will find that average speed is the total distance covered by the body in total time taken, and average velocity is the total displacement of the body by total time taken. Next topic is acceleration. So acceleration is rate of change of velocity with time. Here in this diagram we can see that a car is moving, but it is moving with a constant acceleration. Here we will find that the speed of car is increasing with respect to time. As time increasing, velocity is also increasing. This change in velocity refers to the acceleration. So according to the formula we can write acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity upon time. Last topic of this video is uniform circular motion. So here in these pictures we can observe that a body is moving with uniform circular motion in a circular path. So this represents that the body is changing its direction at every instant with respect to time. Now we can find the direction by marking a tangent on the circular path. For that time being, it will be the direction of that particular body. But it is says that uniform circular motion, so the uniformity of the motion is also required. it means that the magnitude of the velocity is constant but the direction of velocity is changing. So as we know that velocity is a vector component, so it constitutes magnitude as well as direction. So direction is changing, and that's why we can say that velocity is changing, but the magnitude of the velocity, that is speed, is constant throughout the motion. This is uniform circular motion. The examples are giant wheel or any body which covers a circular path in a particular period of time, that is uniform circular motion. That's all for this video. I hope you like this video and you have learned a lot with this video of motion. Now, thank you so much, and please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you kids. Bless you.